Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Boxycharm. This is the August 2018 Boxycharm box, and I'm so excited. I have not checked out any sneak peeks. I haven't saw anything online, so I'm very excited to open this up. But anyways, before we get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every Monday we do mail hauls. And make sure you also click that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But again, I'm so excited. I did already have makeup on for this video. I really wanted to do it like try on style, but I didn't see any sneak peeks. I don't know what all is in this box, so I was like, you know what, let's just go ahead and film it while I have makeup on. Next month, if you guys want me to do like a try on video, then let me know down below. But yeah, I'm excited, so let's dive in. The scissors have been cut. The box is opened. So Boxycharm does actually send me this box. I used to subscribe until they were so sweet to start sending it to me in PR, but I also used to get Sephora and Ipsy, and in my opinion, Boxycharm is 100% the way to go. So anyways, when you first open it up, it says life of the party. And it says live it up. And it has the different products that we're going to get. And then on the back, it has a discount for Laura Lee Los Angeles as well as Smashbox, which is really great. So let's see the first product. Okay, the first product I see is I don't know how you pronounce this, New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. And it says it is a sweet almond cuticle oil. So here's what it looks like. Now, this for me isn't something that I'm probably going to get a whole lot of use out. I'm sure you guys know I have the same nails all the time. I get my nails done every like 4 weeks or so. So for me, I normally don't do my nails at home. So I don't know how much use I would get out of this. I might set it aside for you guys for a giveaway, but let's see how much this retails for. So it is $18. It says treat your nails and your cuticles after a night out. It is a lightweight, non-greasy oil that is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, hydrates the nails. And, you know, I can actually use that if I really wanted to, even though I have my nails done, because I can use it on my cuticles. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. And I'm kind of sad because this says Party Animal, and I'm pretty sure that is the bright one. So here is what the palette looks like. Yep, it is the bright one. So here's what it looks like. Now, honestly, I'm not going to get a lot of use out of this one either, just because I'm not really somebody that ventures out with colors, but I have been really curious to swatch the Laura Lee Los Angeles brand. I haven't tried any of her products. I really want to order the Nudie Patootie palette because I've heard so many great reviews about it. But yeah, here's what this looks like. Give you an up close and let's swatch. So the first one is called It's a Party. It's a really bright lime green shade. We have Damage Control, which is a, wow. This is a like bright neon blue shade. We have Karaoke, which is a cobalt blue. Oh my goodness gracious. This is really gorgeous. Let's see how these actually swatch. Well, there's the first one. There's the second one. Oh, I need to like put my hand over something because I just got it all over my dress. Okay, so there are those 3 swatched. The blue one, the cobalt blue, probably looks the best, but honestly, the lime green didn't swatch very well. So there are those. Let's try the next row. And you can't always go by swatches. Sometimes I have had some shadows, especially mattes. I feel like mattes normally swatch the worst. Like shimmer shades, I feel like if a shimmer shade doesn't swatch good, typically it's not going to do good on my eyes. But I have had some mattes surprise me. So the next one we have is Dranks, which is a bright orange shade. We have Bottoms Up, which is a pink glitter shade. Ooh, the pink glitter shade's really pretty. It has lots of sparkles in it. And then we have Hungover, which is, looks more like a, it's not a matte, but it looks like it could be almost like a satiny shade. There are those swatches. So I don't know. Again, I'm not 100% excited about this just because I normally don't wear bright colors. I know that there's 2 different eyeshadows. So I wonder, I don't know if other people are getting, nope, it definitely says on the card party animal. So I think that's what most people are getting. I don't think that they're getting the other one. If not, I wish that I would have gotten it. I feel like that one would have been more useful for me. But I wonder if they just did this one because maybe this one didn't sell as many. Conspiracy theory. No, I'm just kidding. But I don't know. Let me know down below. What do you guys think about the palette? Have you tried any of Larly Los Angeles products? The palette retails for $19. Next thing that we have are these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Ooh, so it has 3 different ones, and these retail for $13. I don't know if it's $13 total or $13 a piece. I think it's probably total though. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold fold under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and rescue and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while your leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eyes. So I'm excited. I've only tried one other thing from Wonder Beauty, which was their mascara, which didn't work out very well. So I'm excited to try that one out. And then the next thing that we have is Bang Beauty. And here's what it looks like. I don't know what this is at all. It looks like it's going to be maybe an eye pot. No, it's a chocolate gel liner. So here's what that looks like. This retails for $22. It says use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even a touch up on your brows. It's a creamy chocolate tone pomade that is the ultimate triple threat. So it honestly isn't too dark, so I probably could use that on my brows, so we'll see. Then next we have House of Lashes. This is one pair of the mini lashes, and these retail for $9 to $12. Honestly, I kind of stopped liking House of Lashes. The reason being is because I used to wear their iconic lashes, and I absolutely 100% love them. They were like my perfect lash. And then I felt like they changed the way that they actually made the eyelash. I went to IMATS like 2 years ago, and I bought probably like 20 different pairs. And when I came home, all of them they just didn't look good on my eyes. I don't know what it was. It's like they made them shorter on the sides or something. They just didn't feel as good of quality to me. So then I stopped actually buying them. But yeah, these are the minis. I've never tried the minis. I don't know how they would look on my eyes because normally the normal eyelashes look fine on me. But I am excited to try them out since, you know, with Boxycharm, if I were to buy this box, it is $20. So the value that you're getting for all the items is a really great deal. And then last but not least, we have a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick. This will probably be my favorite out of everything. So this retails for $21 to $24. It says create a bold, beautiful look with your new Smashbox lip product. It is a pigment loaded color that glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and on the way to the party quicker. So I got the shade Gotta Light. I'm assuming it's probably gonna be a nude, and it is. So here's what it looks like. It's a more like brownie nude, ooh, it's actually really pretty. So there's that swatch. I love the smell of their liquid lipsticks. They are absolutely amazing. But this is probably, again, my favorite thing from the box. I feel like overall, this definitely wasn't my favorite box from Boxycharm. I am going to try to get use out of some of the products, but some of them I feel like were misses for me. I wasn't super excited about the lashes or the Larly palette, but nevertheless, I still 100% recommend Boxycharm. It's kind of like a gamble each month. You never know what you're going to get, but I love the fact that it's full-size products, and you always, always, always get such a great value for what you pay for the box. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!